Okay, in this training I'm going to give you a kind of general introduction into the Divi theme. That is a theme it's on the WordPress platform, and just show you how you can make adjustments and that sort of thing to your site, and how you can post on your blog, etc. It's quite simple. It follows, the WordPress platform, but being a different theme, it's something that has a few different things about it. At the moment here we're on the home page, and if we wanted to edit this, you can see here we can click on edit page. Now what I'm going to do is right click and open in a new tab so that I can keep this open. I can see this when I make any amendments, and you'll see here this is the Divi builder, okay, and each of these sections are representing parts of this particular website. So if we look at this here where it says Barry Armstrong I Am Review Club, for example, if we double click on this and open it up, you can see that it says Barry Armstrong I Am Review Club. If we wanted to make a change to that, then you'll see that anything I put here, if I put in the word new, for example, I'd click on save and exit, and then I'd come over to, let's just move this, come over to this here, click on update, and then up here I would just refresh the page, and where did I put that? New, I put in new, didn't I? Yeah, sorry, right across there, right. It's right in front of me. I am Review Club new. Okay, so that was double click, that opens up the box, and then just edit it just like any WordPress. Save and exit, update, and then we go over to back over to here again and refresh, and there it says just I Am Review Club. So it's as simple as that to navigate your way around the content on here. If you wanted to change these, for example, then over here what you can do as well is you can change the text. So if this is online reviews, down here is an admin label. So if I paste that in there and save and exit, you'll see that it now says online reviews. So you can just double click on that. If you wanted to change the icon, then you can upload a new image. If you want, there's a good site called iconfinder.com that I use, and you can find free icons here. So let's think, if it was reviews, what have I used there? I've used a screen. So for example, I've probably got that from here anyway, but if I put laptop with 1p, and then I need to click on free, and you can see here these are the different icons that are available. So all you would do is you would download one. So say you wanted to use, what have we got there? We've got that one with the little lines there. If you want to use this, click on this one here, and you want to try and find like a selection of icons that all match. So you can see these are all from the same designer, and what you'd do is you'd go for maybe, I don't know, 32 by 32, something like that. And if you could see, yep, I'd use this one for that one, this one for that one, etc., then you could save all three and change them in there. And in order to change them, you just click on upload an image. You've got your media files here, or you can upload an image from your computer. So really quite straightforward. Okay, so that's the home page, and now in order to make a blog post, so we've got a blog here, and at the moment it just says on here hello world, which is the kind of standard blog post that comes. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to go new post. Hold on, let me just update this page. Alright, so I'm going to go new post. Okay, so a blog post is what you have for your blog, and a page is what you have for your page. So we put here, let's say instant funnel product review. This is a product that I'm reviewing at the moment. Now you want a featured image, which you'll put in down here, and I use something called Snapper, but you can use Canva, which is free. So if you just go to Canva and log in. I use Facebook to log in with Canva, so I'm just going to log in with Facebook. And then for a featured image, you might want something that's kind of like this, for example, this sort of size. And you can play about with this. But if we were going to do these here, if they say free, then you know they're free. So you could put here, for example, you know, you could go in here and start typing and put instant funnel lab review. Just make that a little bit bigger, and you'd put in here something else, you know. For example, my full and honest review. And if you weren't happy with these images, which is probably one image, I think, yes, one image. So we could delete this out. Oh, no, in fact, it's 4 images on a thingy there. And then we can go over to search, and we could put funnel, see what comes up for funnel. These are all paid for. So what I would then use is a site called Pixabay, and you might want, you know, kind of like a laptop background, someone working on a laptop, something like this. It's quite nice. So we download that and then come back over here, and I'm going to, oh, didn't mean to do that. So undo. I haven't used Canva for a while, so I'm just finding my way back around it. But background uploads, right? So I'm going to upload my image, and I've just got that in my downloads. Double click there, and that should appear over here. It's this little water thing there, which is showing us that it's coming. Okay, well, let's try again. For whatever reason, that's not uploading. Okay, that's interesting. Oh, there we go. There it is. So let's say I move that. Oh, that looks quite nice there, for example. And then for the, oh, didn't mean to do that. For this section, we could maybe go for a color. So I wonder if it'll let me do that. No, it looks like it wants to put images in there. But anyway, look, you can play about with this, but once you've got that and you've got your image, then you just download it and you'd use that as your featured image on your blog post over here. So you've got here your title. I've set up the permalinks so that when you make a new post, it will say the name of the site / and then the name of the post that you're doing, rather than some load of jumbled up squiggly dupes. And then here we can start typing. You know, instant funnel lab has just been released, and I must say it's a pretty cool piece of software. Now, if you wanted to put in a video, then you can embed that. Now, one trick that I do is I just type some X's like that. So when I go over and click on the text tab, I can see the X's where I'm going to put it in. So, for example, if I went over to my YouTube channel and I go to my videos, I'm just going to find, all right, so I've got this one here. And I go share, embed. I untick these two because I don't want suggested videos being shown, and show video title, I don't want that. And then I've just got this, and I'm going to go Control C and then double click that and just Control V to paste. and then you can see right here that I've got that. So if I go back over, I'm going to click on Save Draft as well, just to make sure we've saved that. Really want it. Oh, there we go. That's it. So, oh, I see. Right. Yeah, good, 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 good. That's actually looking quite nice now. And I might want to put in, for example, the actual product itself. So I've got an image here. Let's wait for that to open. So I double click on that. That loads that. I resize it. And I think I'll move this up. Well, it actually looks quite nice, doesn't it? And then I can make that a little bit bigger. Like that. Okay, and then I'm going to download that as a PNG. Do I need a PNG? Maybe go for a JPEG. So that's downloading that now for me. And I'll come back over to here, and I'm going to go to the featured image, upload files, select files, go over to my downloads, double click on the image that I've just got, set featured image, and that's that done. So now if I was to publish this, we can then click on this link here to see what it looks like, and this is what it looks like. So there's the video playing, there's the image, and of course you write more text than this. But then if we go to the blog home, we'll see now this has come up here, which looks really nice, and that takes us through to the page. So as we build out our blog reviews, if you like, this is going to fill up with more and more, and it's as simple as that. There's a lot more you can do with Divi, and I would suggest that if you want more training, you can just Google it, go onto YouTube and type in Divi tutorials, and you'll find all sorts. But that's pretty much the basic bones of what you need to be doing. So hope that helps. All the best, Trevor.